Can a Japanese strengthening hair treatment work on kinky curly hair? In today's video, I will be putting it to a test by trying out this hair treatment just to see what it does to my kinky curly hair. I also plan on using it on my daughter's hair. My daughters have type 3 hair and also type 3A hair. And my husband hair is wavy, straight. So I will also try it on his hair. This video went viral on YouTube and it has been popping up on my For You page continuously. So I decided to give it a try. Please remember I tripled the recipe for this video. The original recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of rice, but I am using 12 tablespoons of rice because I also want to use this treatment on my daughter's hair and also my hair. Now, if you want to make the original recipe, all you need is 4 tablespoons of rice. After adding in our 12 tablespoons of rice, I'm just washing the rice to get rid of all impurities from on it. After that, I'm gonna go in and with our water, first transfer our rice to the pot. I'm going in with 6 cups of water. The original recipe calls for 2 cups of water. After that, I'm going to give it a good stir, and then you need to cook the rice until it is extremely soft. After that, transfer it to your blender and blend it well. Just so you don't have some chunks in your hair, the recipe also recommend that you sift out your rice. So I'm making this recipe according to the original recipe. The only thing I'm doing is I'm tripling the ingredients. After that, the next step, you put your rice aside. We are now going in with corn flour. I'm going in with my corn flour, 3 tablespoons of that. The original recipe called for 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 cup of water. I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of the corn flour and 3 cups of water. After mixing it, you set that aside. We are now going back and transferring our rice mixture to the pot and including our corn flour mixture. This is the fun part because all you have to do is put it on low heat and just continue to stir it until it becomes creamy. Make sure you do not stop stirring it until you get the consistency that you want. In the original recipe, it is creamy just the same way mine is. Now I'm going in with coconut oil. The original recipe called for 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, but I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The original recipe calls for only 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After that, I'm just going to mix everything together. Our ingredients is ready. I'm going to transfer it to my bowl, and now it is time for us to start using it. According to the video, this is called the Japanese secret to long-lasting hair strengthening, natural and effective keratin. So this treatment is supposed to strengthen your hair. It's supposed to last longer. It is a keratin treatment. It is also supposed to take away frizzy hair. It's supposed to leave your hair silky straight and amazing. Now, I'm not sure if rice is going to do that to your hair or if cornstarch or corn flour is going that to your hair, but to do that to your hair. But again, we are putting this to a test. I know very well that the rice water and rice have protein in it. It helps with hair, but I don't know if it actually strengthens your hair. Now, I don't want to straighten my hair because I love my kinky curly hair. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out on my hair. It also states it's a natural and effective keratin. Now, keratin is a protein that is found in our hair and it gets depleted with all the things that we do to our hair, constantly manipulating our hair, the environment, the products that we use. So with the natural keratin in this, it's a building block for our hair, which is good. Again, I'm not sure if it's going to straighten our hair, but at least I'm gonna benefit from the keratin part if it doesn't straighten my hair. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair. But one thing I can say, it got my hair feeling really, really great. I took my time. I applied on every strand of my hair. And let me just tell you guys, look at the length. I don't know if you are watching my video consistently, but I cut my hair very, very short about a year ago. And look at it. Yes, as secret products work. After that, I'm going to sit under my steamer for 30 minutes. And also, I put my steam cap in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let's see the results. This is my hair after I'm done rinsing out the treatment. As you guys can see, my kinks, my curls, they are still intact. It didn't change my hair texture in any way, which I'm grateful for. So the straightening part of this treatment, it's not going to work on my hair texture. It's not going to work on curly hair. It's not even going to work on wavy hair. The moment I saw the two ingredients that was used in this treatment, I knew straight it would help give softness to the hair. It will help moisturize the hair, but it wouldn't change the hair texture in any way because these are all natural ingredients. Rice, you guys know, rice water became very popular on the internet. Rice deep conditioner is very popular. This is exactly what it is. Now, if you have straight hair and if you suffer from a lot of frizz, then I would say if you use this treatment and then you blow dry your hair and straighten your hair, maybe your straight hair will last longer with less frizz. But again, with a hair texture like mine, it is not going to change our hair texture in any way. It is not going to straighten our hair in any way. It will probably reduce frizz for a few days, and it also depends on the product that you are using to moisturize your hair. But all in all, I'm happy that it did not even do anything to my hair texture, even though I already knew that these ingredients wouldn't affect your hair texture in any way. But I'm happy that I gave this treatment a try. Now, when it comes to softness, my hair feels really, really soft. For titan clean, I did not detangle my hair with this treatment in because again, I didn't want to take that risk. Now, to detangle my hair, the only treatment that I use is my conditioner because it has a lot of slip in it. So I didn't also detangle my hair with this treatment in. But when I was applying the treatment on my hair, I felt this softness. Even after rinsing out, my hair feels very, very soft and moisturized now. If this is a treatment I recommend for you to try, absolutely. You can use it as a deep condition treatment, but just know that you wouldn't gonna get your hair straight from it if you have texture. Right, so I'm just gonna end this video here because there's nothing else to discuss again. So if you love this Japanese hair straightening video, if you guys want me to test any other viral video, just leave it down in the comment section and I will do that for you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.